Hi, Bruce from Safiery, and we're going to show you here the most simplest installed setup that you can possibly get here in 12 volt. So these are our new 200 amp hour 12 volt batteries, 125mm wide. They're a Slimline, 320 high and 510 long, and they are CANbus. So from the battery down into the Victron turbo here, there's no shunts. So to install this, it's just digital. Data cable here going into the inverter charger, another one going into a solar controller, and even the alternator will appear on the screen down the bottom here when we run the alternator controller. So on this setup here, there are no shunts. It is just so simple. You just wire up the battery to the inverter charger. We then hook into the inverter charger out to the alternator controller, and that's it. And so these pair of batteries here will take 250 amps of charge, which these will give. They'll do 400 amps of discharge. How good is that?